Mori Seiki ZL-25B 500. It's a 4-axis machine. It's got a Mori Seiki MFD6 control, which is a Fanuc 16 TT. 10-inch chuck, tailstock, chip conveyor. We're going to run the machine.
Spindle's currently running at 150.
That's 1,000 RPM. That's 2,000 RPM. All right. Z on the top sounds good. That's just sheet metal. X is good. Stay up there. All right, this machine is missing the lower cover. And can you move the turret forward as well? It's also missing the back cover for the lower turret. Okay. Good. Tailstock quill. Open and closing the chuck jaw. All right, and this is serial number 456 Mori Seiki ZL-25B 500.